Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and balancing so the gimbal works smoothly. First, charge the battery and install the app. This lets you access modes and firmware updates. Next, mount your phone centered in the clamp and check the lens alignment. This prevents drift and clipping. Make sure any charging cable won't tug the phone. Once done, power on the gimbal and let it calibrate. This is why you balanced it. Less motor strain and steadier shots right away. You now fine-tune balance and settings to get consistent movement. Start by balancing roll, tilt, and pan until the phone stays level with motors off. This reduces jitter and battery drain. Then open the app and run IMU calibration. Make sure follow speed and joystick sensitivity match your shooting style. Next, select a mode. Pan follow for smooth pans, lock to hold framing, POV for dynamic moves, and assign common functions to buttons so switching is fast and predictable. You're ready to film. Adopt a stable stance, bend your knees, and move the gimbal with your whole arm instead of twisting your wrist. This produces cinematic motion. While recording, verify aspect ratio and image stabilization in the app so framing and crop match delivery needs. Keep an eye on battery and motor temperature during long takes. If the gimbal drifts or vibrates, stop, rebalance the phone, run IMU calibration, and if needed, update firmware or recharge. That usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.